I wanted to share with you who we've helped the last few weeks so you can be on the lookout to see if there's anyone you know that could need our help. I just got a call here on last Monday, and it was a call with a long pause. So the call said, "Hello, is this Matt?" And I said, "Yes." And it was a long silence. And she said, "All I can say and all I can get out is thank you." And I said, "Well, what do you mean?" Because she was just going through the closing, it would have been all done. She said, "The only word that can describe how I feel now is thank you." She said, "Your name and number sat on my desk for 2 whole years. And I didn't call you because I didn't understand reverse mortgage. I was scared of reverse mortgage and I was worried that something bad would happen. But I got to the point where I had to call you and I should have done it 2 years ago." I said, "What do you mean?" She said, "Well, my real estate agent gave me your number a couple years ago, but because of everything about reverse mortgage, I was scared to call you. And now that I'm done, I feel like a weight of the world has been lifted off my back. We were able to take her $2,500 a month mortgage and make it zero. And we were able to take her zero in the bank, and she's going to have almost $40,000 in cash, as well as another $50,000 coming her way." So if you know anyone that's concerned about finances, but also concerned about reverse mortgage, give us a call. We can educate them and let them know that it's just a regular mortgage. They still own their house. They can still sell their house if they ever want to. We just don't need people stressed out for 2 years for no reason. This awesome lady had 600,000 in equity in her home. 600,000, and she was scared to use it because of all the misinformation out there. So that was an awesome, awesome client. The second folks are some folks they aren't in that tough of a situation. It's just that they're not able to have the fun they want in retirement. Money comes in, money goes out. Money comes in, money. They have a $300,000 home paid off. They need a little work on it. So in their scenario, we're able to give them $30,000 in cash to work on the home. They had to quit their job recently. So what this will allow us to do is we're going to give them over $1,000 a month every single month for the next 10 years. So think about that. An extra 30,000 in the bank, as well as an extra $1,000 a month. That's going to actually double the amount of income she has coming in every month. And the best thing about this is not income. This is just cash flow coming in from her home equity. So extra money with no taxes. She's going to live in a whole nother world. So it was awesome to chat with her. We had another client. Their situation is that they have a family member that's struggling. Their home is paid off. They have enough money to get by, but they don't have enough money to actually help anyone else out. But they have a $400,000 home and they only owe $50,000 on that. So we're able to pay off their mortgage. Well, we're going to be able to give them an extra $2,000 a month, and we're also going to be able to help them pay off their family member's car. She's going to feel awesome to help someone else out, and also going to feel great because the financial stress of having to help someone else is going to go away because she's going to take care of it for them. So that was an awesome, awesome conversation. And we had another scenario where we had a client that they wanted to move and they live somewhere else. They don't live anywhere close, but they wanted to move. But the challenge was Tennessee and most real estate prices have shot up so much that it just didn't make sense for them to sell and buy. So we're able to show them they could sell their home, pay off their mortgage, take the profits they're making, and move that money to a property here in Tennessee, a nicer home than they could have got paying cash, but with zero monthly payment required. So just an awesome, awesome strategy to be able to show when they can get what they want. They've worked their whole life. They've put in effort. They've put in time. Why not get what you want in retirement? And this is what this allows them to do. So if this fits anyone you know, or maybe yourself, please feel free to reach out to me. We'd love to educate you, your family members, and anyone you know on how reverse mortgage is just a regular mortgage. They still own their house. They can still sell their house, can still pass family. Family can still be passed on the home. It just doesn't require that huge monthly payment. So my team and I love to educate, love to serve seniors, and we'd love to help you. My number's on the screen, but if you need it, Matt Helton, 615-400-6764. Thanks again. Have a great day. We'll talk with you soon.